Hi. So, are you someone who recently got done with their school and is now confused about how to start with their CA preparation? The ICAI exam, also known as the CA exam, is conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for aspirants of the chartered accountancy profession in India. The exam is conducted at different levels as per the CA courses. For being certified as a chartered accountant, candidates have to qualify in all the levels of ICAI examinations. So here we will discuss a detailed study plan for the ICAI CA examination and a preparation strategy for a complete year. Step 1. Begin early. Prepare for the Common Proficiency Test, which is also known as CPT examination, in the best possible manner because the CPT marks set targets for the IPCC. When the students take the CPT exam seriously, they score well and get enthusiastic and confident about the IPCC examination too. This definitely leads to the successful pass results in IPCC. For CPT, there are 4 subjects which you have to test for: accounts, law, economics and quantitative analysis. A 200 marks exam in which you have to score 100 to be eligible to proceed means you have to achieve 50%. Now coming on to step 2, make a solid study plan. When you are ready to begin your preparations, the first thing you need to do is make a proper study plan or timetable for a full year of preparation. Allot time for each subject and try to complete it. Make sure that your study plan is in such a way that you must not feel that your schedule is getting hectic. Step 3. Select the right institutes for CA coaching. Choosing the right CA coaching institute is indispensable for getting overall success in CA examination. In fact, the 2 foundations on which the passing in CA examination depends include the proper guidance and hard work. Working hard and making the best of efforts lies in the hands of students, but the problem arises when it comes to choosing a CA coaching institute. Most of these institutes boast of good results and hence it becomes difficult for students to recognize the right institute. Step 4. Break into achievable target. As the CA exam portion is vast, you cannot complete it at one go. Allow equal time and complete the portions. Set a target for yourself either daily or weekly and achieve it. If you start your preparation while you are still in school, apart from your school portions, you can study a little extra if you have more time. Step number 5. Know the complete syllabus and exam pattern. Always divide the syllabus into A, B and C sections. The A section is the one that covers 30% of the entire syllabus in volume. But the point is that 70% of questions are put up from this section only. The C section is the one that covers 50% of the entire syllabus, but only 20% of questions come from this section. Apart from these 2 sections, the remaining section is the B section. Once you have begun your CA preparations, go through the CA exam syllabus and exam pattern carefully. Make a list of topics that you are aware of, feel easy and tough topics separately. In your study plan, make sure to give more time to the tough topics and less time to topics that are easier for you. Make sure you have the right CA exam books for preparation. Step number 6. Be specific. In your study plan, make sure you are specific. If in case you have begun your preparation for trigonometry, ensure you have mentioned the particular topic in trigonometry that you are going to complete. Do not make your study plan for the CA exam complex. Moving on to step number 7. Give time for breaks. Studying is your aim, but taking frequent breaks between the study period is important. Take 5 to 10 minutes break every hour after completion of study. It is also important to eat well and sleep well. Without proper food and enough sleep, you cannot achieve your goals. Step number 8. Change it if you don't feel good. The study plan for CA exam is not fixed for a whole year. Depending on your improvement in speed and managing time, you can change your plan accordingly. Step 9. Stay focused. This is very important during studying. There are a lot of ways a student can get distracted. Try to stay away from your mobile phone while you are studying, and instead of using your mobile phone for social media or chatting, you can use it for study purposes. You can check previous year's CA exam question papers, take up online practice tests and many more. Remember to believe in yourself and achieve the desired target. Step 10. Focus on the positive result. Instead of expecting all facilities, concentrate on the main aim, passing the CA exam. Passing the examination is the most important aim that should always be focused upon by every CA aspirant. I hope this video helped clear some of your doubts. To aid in your preparation, you can check out the CA Club India website, where we provide you with a platform for interaction with persons of your own fraternity, updates on various issues in the finance world that are mostly relevant to CAs, CSEs, ICWAs, and other finance professionals. We also provide most recent advancement reviews, discussions in current finance related issues, a forum to ask and clear your doubts with the help of professionals, and numerous affordable online learning courses that can be beneficial in your exam preparation. Thank you.